Hello and welcome back to the Workbench. We're going to get this car finished in this video. I did a few things first and then found out that the audio wasn't working. So yeah, I'm recording this again halfway through the edit, but that's okay. What we've done is I have put the lights in. So we have lights in the front and the back. I did a good job on the shrink wrap here, but I forgot the shrink wrap here in the middle. So I used Bondic to do the job there, which is a resin. And it works great. It'll do what it needs to do. It won't short or anything like that. I edited this little steering arm. You can see it was straight before. I added a little bit of a gap here, so it gives me a little bit more throw when it steers back and forth, which is really good. I fixed the gearing in the back. So now there is a larger gear in the back and a smaller gear in the front, or pulley, if you will, because it is belt driven. So now it's got a little bit more torque, I hope. I haven't really tried it yet. And so we're going to jump into the montage where you're going to see me do all those things. And then we'll come back and we'll see it drive. I need 51. All right, there we go. It is all assembled. I have the lenses on the front. Looks okay. It doesn't look great. I got the lenses and the lights in the back. These are red lights, so they'll light up red. These are white lights, so they'll light up white. Probably won't light up too much, but that's all right. I think it turned out really, really well. I'm very happy with the way this turned out. And I think it's going to drive just great as well. Let me get some beauty shots and then we'll take it outside and take it for a spin. Well, thank you for watching this video series. This was a lot of fun. I learned a lot. I have another one coming up soon on the channel, so make sure you subscribe. It's another remote control car we're going to turn into radio controlled. It is vintage as well. I don't know if it's quite as vintage as this one, but it's pretty nice. You're going to like it. Tune in for the next one where you can see what it actually is. Thanks for watching and have fun out there.